Alright. Alright. Doorbell. My aunt's dog always freaks out with the doorbell, and probably your dog too, if you even have one. Fire alarm 1. Fire alarm 2. Criminal signing. Toxic. Or toxic and radiation. I don't really know. And a ship thing, or whatever it's called. A bell. A horn. A blue siren. I know it's not a blue siren, if you know what I mean. A red siren. And a fire truck. And a car. And another car thing. This is what would happen to me, dude. And my grandma's car. A whistle. And a train. A horn. Oh, Jesus. And a school bell. A chainsaw. This alarm 1, I guess. Alarm 2. Okay, that isn't really an alarm, but alarm 2. Alarm 3. This one is the one you've heard millions of times before. You've heard this millions of times. And this, electric or digital alarm. And a truck. Okay, and a ship, an actual ship. That last one wasn't a ship. I forgot the name of it. Okay, spray paint. The party things. Forgot what that's called too. I'm stupid. I forget everything. Oh, the horn. Yeah, the horn thing. Oh, jeez. That's a new update. I never saw it before. Knocking on the door. A bug. You already heard it. Yeah. Another bug. A bee. Yeah, I hate doing that. Yep. A lightsaber. Star Wars. Breaking glass. Rubber ducky. The things they use in hotels and stuff. And that thing. It's not a jump rope. If I said jump rope, I'd literally scream. Alright, bye. Bye.